Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you a super easy way to create a gradient background right inside Premiere Pro. So to begin, first go to your project window. Over here, this is my project window. We're gonna right click here and then we're gonna go ahead and select new item. So under new item we have here is color matte. So if you click onto that, it will go ahead and ask you for the video settings. Let's leave it as it is. Click on OK. It will ask you to pick a base color that you want for your background. So let's choose a color in here. For example, this one. Click on OK. Then right after, let's go ahead and name this color one and click on OK again. So this should be added in here. We'll just have to go ahead and drag the color matte onto your timeline over here. Then right after, we're gonna go ahead and add a shape tool. Now to add a rectangle shape, you could use the shortcut key for that, or you could head here under graphics, click on new layer, and then we should be able to find in here the rectangle. So as you can see, it did added a rectangle here onto the middle part. So we're gonna go ahead and try to change the color of this one to white. Now to update that, we're gonna head here under graphics, click here onto the upper part of the screen, wait for it to load, and then we have here the edit option. So click on edit, and then this time here on fill, we're gonna go ahead and try to change the color of this one to white. So let's choose this one, the farthest side, and click on OK. And as you can see, the next step that we have to do in here is to head here under effects. So we're gonna use an effect in here. So once you're in here on effects, we have here the video effects. So we're gonna go ahead and drop this down and then choose in right after the blur and sharpen. So we have here the Gaussian blur. So we're gonna go ahead and drag and then drop it here onto the graphic. So you should be able to see this one here added. So let's check this first on essential graphics, and we could see that the essential blur has been added already. So we're gonna go ahead and click this back again. Let's head back to editing so that we could go ahead and adjust the graphic blur. So we're gonna click onto this clip here, and as you can see here on Gaussian blur, under it we have the blurriness. So we're gonna go ahead and match this. So you've been looking. So let's lower this down back again. This one already. So feel free to go ahead and adjust that as per your liking. So just adjust till your shape transform into a smooth, soft gradient. And right after, you've just created a clean, customizable gradient background in Premiere Pro in just a few easy steps. And if you think that this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on to our next video.